Shine, shine your light on me, yeah.
Hi, Nick here from Autosol Australia to show you how to use Autosol Metal Lifesaver. Unlike a polish which works through a mechanical abrasive action, Autosol Metal Lifesaver uses a chemical action to deal with surface defects like tea stains and bluing. Because the product contains a 5% solution of hydrochloric acid, we recommend the use of protective gloves. So how do we use it? First, clean any dust or dirt from your workpiece with a damp cloth or sponge and dry it thoroughly. Then use a clean, dry, polishing cloth, making sure it's free of any sand or other abrasive particles. Apply a healthy amount of Autosol Metal Lifesaver to the cloth. Covering 5 to 15 centimetres at a time, rub the polish over the workpiece in a circular motion. For heavier oxidation and bluing, you want to leave the Autosol Metal Lifesaver on the workpiece for 10 to 15 minutes. For light oxidation and tea stains, you may proceed directly to the next step. Finish by wiping the surface with a second clean and dry polishing cloth. If necessary, repeat this process a couple of times for better results. Autosol Metal Lifesaver does contain corrosion inhibitors to limit the effect of the hydrochloric acid. However, be sure to wipe your workpiece clean of any residual product. The workpiece will now be clean but dull. To shine and protect the surface, apply Autosol Metal Polish or Autosol Metal Polish Liquid. And that's it. Thanks for watching and shine on.